In this first section, I want to touch on some stability background. I'll start with a brief introduction. We'll talk about the purpose and some definitions and outcomes of stability. So in this next section, what I want to do is talk about some of the stability guidelines that we have available to us. So in this section, I want to talk about the different types of OTC drug products and how the stability might be different for each one of them. And so what we're going to cover in this section are the actual drug product test requirements as well as the GMP requirements. So in this next section, section E in your course notes, what we want to cover are pre-market stability protocols. And what we'll be covering are some of the key questions and objectives of your pre-market studies. In this section, we will talk about the topics listed here: data management, OOT, something we really hadn't talked about, out of trend as opposed to out of specification. All right, well, let's go ahead and jump into our next section in the course notes. We're moving into section G, and we will be covering pre-market stability reports. Pretty much everything that we've talked about up this point has really been geared towards a pre-market stability program. A lot of the things we talked about would be relevant to post-market as well. And this is what I like to refer to as our special topics, and then a Q&A as well. I've sometimes referred to this as a nuts and bolt topic, because what we're going to do is kind of get into a higher level of detail.